How to bookmark a business on Yelp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can bookmark a business on the Yelp app. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Yelp app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, you can simply scroll through the post or you can use the search bar at the top to find the businesses that you want to save. And here, once you search for the businesses, you can simply scroll down through the search history. And here, once you have found the business that you like, you can just tap on the save icon next to the top or next to the business name. And after that, you can choose a collection to save it or tap create new collection if needed. And once you're done with that, you can just tap on save or done, and once you do that, the business will be saved to your bookmark for easy access later. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.